there, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little flip through of my weeks during October. So we're already in November, and most of these pictures are in my October daily album, which I'm still currently working on. But I still wanted to give you guys just an overview of what my pages look like. Most of these are from my Elle Studio kits. I believe it's the October kit and some of the September kit. So let's just get right into it. So here is week 42. These are all journaling cards. This die cuts are from Elle Studio. This as well, label as well. This is actually a card that I had from Happy Mail. But yeah, pretty much this is what it looks like. I'm only doing a one page because I have most of this in my October daily album. So let me go ahead and take you through my week really quick. This was my son's cross-country meet at a lake here, and that was really fun to watch. Here I have a picture of my son and I, my husband and my boys. This is our parking ticket, our parking ticket to go into the lake. My daughter, she's an ASB, she's a junior in high school, and she did all of these by hand. Aren't they beautiful? She has like the best penmanship. She knows how to do all these cool things. She's such an artist. So I wanted to include that. I tell her, oh, take a picture of the posters that you made today. And sometimes she'll remember, sometimes she'll forget, but I wanted to document that in there. During this week, we went to Hobbs Grove. They have like a haunted house, a haunted forest, and a haunted hayride. And we did the haunted house and forest. And this is what the entrance looks like. It just looks pretty cool because it's supposed to be like scary and spooky, and she actually looks like a spirit, and so I thought that one was awesome. I forgot to include this one in my album, so I wanted to include it during this week of my project life. And then this week was the week that we went to the corn maze. It has been an annual tradition with my friend he's Veronica Creates here on YouTube and on Instagram. We've been doing this every year, and this happens to be, I believe, I want to say our third year. So, so much fun, took tons of pictures. A lot of these pictures are going to be in the album, but I still wanted to incorporate that in my week. And this is just a little card here that says, Halloween witches, creepers, jeepers creepers, toil and trouble. So just like a bunch of like sayings. I thought that went well. And then I just added washi tape here, added some stars, die cuts from the Elle Studio pack, and called that one good. So that's week 42. Moving on to week 43. Again, also the same labels and excuse me, die cuts from Elle Studio. This is a card also, and I believe that as well. Let me go ahead and take you through my week. This picture here is a picture of Grandma's Spooky Treats. She went all out, added some balloons, and I put a sticker here from one of my sticker sheets. It says beautiful because these are her ghosts, and she made all these cool snacks, which I will put in my album, but I still wanted to put it in. This day my son received, it was the end of season awards, and my son, their boys and girls team won the CBAL, that's a mouthful, championships, and both boys and girls took first place, so that's awesome. And then my boy received the coaches award, so that was really awesome. He had a bunch of nice things to say about my son, and of course that's a big proud mama moment, so I had to definitely put that in my album. And here I kind of journaled a little bit about that. This day we painted pumpkins with Veronica and her family, and so more of this will be in the album as well. All of our cool pumpkins. This here is a journaling card from Elle Studio, and this actually is from Veronica Creates. She used to sell scrapbooking stuff. I'm trying to remember, shabby chic tags, or chic tags, not shabby chic, chic tags. And these are some of her labels. I still have a lot of her products that I use here and there. Documenting Adi's. This is Adi, and this is her birthday party, and it was like a full-blown costume party, and my daughter and her boyfriend dressed up as Daphne and Fred. Aren't they the cutest? I absolutely love it. So this marks week 43. It's gonna go by really fast, guys. Week 44 is Halloween week, I believe. Yes, Halloween week. I just added some stickers here just to decorate the cards a little, make them a little bit more festive. These are also, I believe, I can't remember what the collection's called, but it kind of looks like the what is it called? My goodness, how can I forget? No, it's not Echo Park. I'm trying to remember. I have a collection that's kind of like this, and it's like the Disney one. I don't know. I'll try to remember, see if I remember later. These die cuts from LA Studio, label from LA Studio, and then just pretty much just pictures. So this day we carved pumpkins at the beginning of Halloween week. Because you don't want to carve them too soon because they rot. So it's my brother, my daughter, myself, and my boys. And here are the final pumpkins. They came out really cool. I love my son. I didn't even ask him to pose. He just did that. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's such a great picture. So I wanted to definitely put it in here. And of course, I had to put a jack-o'-lantern in there. This day, my son had a field trip to the art museum. So this is him and his best friend. And then, of course, I had to include Halloween. So my husband didn't want to dress up this year, which he usually doesn't. The last 2 years, he has dressed up with me. So I'll give him that. My son was Freddy Krueger, and my youngest son, he was so scary. He was the Terrifier. Oh, my gosh. I don't think I could ever watch any. I love horror movies, but I don't think I could watch any of those movies. The Terrifier movies are so bloody and gory. And here's a picture of him. He looks so spooky. I can't wait to showcase their costumes because they took a lot of fun pictures with their costumes. And then this is just a simple picture of them going trick-or-treating, and then just added this card here that says I love Halloween, and that pretty much sums it up. So now I am on a week 45, which I should be caught up by the end of this week. I have today to document because today is Sunday, so I'll have to wait around for today's happenings and then document my Sunday. So you should have a video either Wednesday or Thursday showcasing my week 45. I have posted all of my weekly cards. If you guys do use these, there's a link in my description box. It is for the rest of the year, so go ahead and download those for you to use. If you use them and you're on Instagram, please tag me. I would love to see your projects using the cards. I'm not sure if you guys are aware that they're there, but I like to give little freebies here and there and allow you crafty friends to use stuff as well. So that is it for me for today. I should be filming soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and thanks for being so patient with me. I know I've been kind of missing in action with all the things that has been happening. I've been a little busy, but I hope to have more content for you. So I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.